morning, guys. We are on the GoPro. It has been a couple weeks. I know, man. Your boy has been dealing with a virus, and I haven't been feeling the best. That crap was kicking my ass, and I don't know if you still can hear, but it's still kicking my ass. But you know, I wanted to get a little POV drive on my way to work, so hopefully you guys enjoy that, man. I feel like I got so much to like explain, and you know, it's been a while since I did a little update video on Dusty, so I guess this video will be it, man. As you guys can see, bro, these tires got no air in them right now, and that's because I just been testing a whole different setup, boost, I can't even speak, different boost ramps, different PSI levels to see what grips, because I got tired of just butchering third gear all the time. So for all the new people, man, who just found the channel, what's up? My name is Sean. I drive a 2015 Civic Si named Dusty, and you kind of can see why. She's always pretty dusty, and she has a built K24, man. It is a K24 Z6 out of the CRV. The Z7 that comes in these, I blew that up months ago, and then, you know, got a fully built one. So fully built head, fully built block, just no sleeves and no upgraded cams. Everything else is pretty much touched. Transmission's also built. Third and fourth is BF gears. First and second is EP3. Stock fifth, stock six. And I love the gear ratio. It's very, very rowdy, bro. Love this car. And yeah, KLM cash can that spits out oil, which is like it's a very nice design, but that right there makes me want to sell it. But after that, engine bay is beautiful, bro. I pride myself on having that clean engine bay. I hate working on stuff, and when you take your arm out, your arm's the same damn color as the engine bay. But yeah, this is Dusty, bro. It makes 545 or something like that on 17-18 psi, and it sees 22 to 23 psi currently right now, so I'm guessing that's like over 600. And yeah, it moves, bro. It moves. So that's why I've been playing with the PSI of the tires and the PSI of each gear, just because I got tired of just spinning the life out of third. Quick little startup. See how I start up with this cold weather? It started up. So damn good, bro. You can hear the turbo just whistling. Damn, damn, Dusty, damn, Dusty, damn. All right, so the car makes a crap ton of noise because it does have the Type S oil pump, and I have full mounts all around, so it vibrates. But I'm so used to it that I kind of forgot. And then the tires has no PSI in them, so your boy was sick for the past like week, bro. And I kept telling myself, yo, you gotta get up your ass and go make a video. And I just kept forgetting, like, yo, my body don't want you. My body itself didn't want me to get up. I felt so weak. I had no energy, no appetite, bro. It was terrible, man. Like, it was honestly super bad. And I didn't miss work. I worked from home for a couple days. Missed one day of work, I guess I could say. And just rest, bro. And then yesterday was Christmas. Hopefully I could drop this, well, not yesterday, 2 days ago when you guys watched this video was Christmas. And I felt a little bit better. Today I woke up, I'm like, you know what, let me take my black ass to work. So yeah, we're heading over to work, man. Taking a race car to work. I usually drive my Grom, or my Grom to work, but I kind of broke that, so I need to fix that. And I need to adjust the chain, and then I'll be good again on riding that back to work. But as much as you guys probably think. Like, I could say in the past month, this car has been driven about 5 times. It's crazy too. Damn, bro, there's a Type R behind me. Thing's clean. But yeah, I haven't drove Dusty in such a long time. Once in a blue moon, this car gets driven now. It's just, you know, so I don't see it as a liability. It's just, I hate putting 85 in this thing, man. This thing drinks gas, bro. Yo, bro, if you watching this, bro, we need a conservative map, bro. Cause this is crazy. There is no reason why I gotta fill up the tank every like 3 days, bro. But after that, man, the car sounds freaking amazing. Drives good. I can't complain. Rowdy little car. Right now, I put it on the second map because it's no need for me to be giving it all the beans right now. Look at the Type R. Damn. One day I'll have money enough to buy me a Type R. Woo! So one thing you can't tell me is that Hondas don't sound good, bro. You should sound amazing. Was that a little M6 behind us? Kind of glad nobody could see inside the car right now with the tents, because they will see how bro, you can see me. I look crazy. Oh, she getting that jogging. Okay. A hut one, a hut two, a hut three, a hut four. Oh, she tired. She stopped. She even I watched her start running. She didn't even run that far. My main priority right now of Dusty is just getting it to look clean again. Like, the car looks clean. Don't get me wrong. The car is super clean. But I'm debating still if I want to rewrap the roof or go get it painted. I don't know yet. I feel like rewrapping it is the cheapest option, but I feel like the best long-term option is just getting it sprayed again. Getting it sprayed black. But we'll see, man. For the power-wise, Dusty is at its power level that I wanted to stay at. Like, I don't want to go higher than 22 PSI, 21 PSI, or 23 PSI. Like, that's it. I don't want a 27 PSI map or a 28 PSI map. The power level I'm at feels great. It puts the power down, and I'm pretty sure it's a 6-second 60 to 130 car if I could just shift it right. Cause it don't spin no more, so now it's just me shifting. Spinning, man. You know, it's crazy. I got this damn camera in the middle of my face. I cannot see. that WRX in front of me is kind of clean. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot, bro. You can hear the tires grip up. Oh man, that's fire. I wanted to keep going, but as you guys can see, got two slowpokes in front of me. But yeah, guys, I got the car to grip up in any gear, any power level. It doesn't spin at all. Shit just wants to go. You know, it's funny, I could be a cop right next to me. I would not know. But you guys seen that? No spinning, bro. And there's no point of me throwing fourth, because I ain't got no room. This car revs out all the way to 8,500, bro. You know how much room I need? I need so much room. But this car is so freaking fun. You just need one gear to have all the fun in. Third gear is the gear. I wish I could slam it into fourth, but that's highway stuff right there. I really got no room. But this thing revs out to 8,500. That's because of the Type S oil pump and the built head. And it sounds good as hell doing it too. Oh my goodness. And this is not even like the fast map. This is the slow one. But I have no idea what I got planned for, you know, 2025. I do know that hopefully I'll move up to Orlando, man. You know, be around Corey and them. That'd be pretty cool to link up with them, film some videos. But yeah, I think my time in South Florida is up, you guys. Like, I really want to move. I just feel like if I can move up north, it's way more opportunities than it is down here right now, currently. So the car scene right here is dry. Chill out, Dusty. Now I got something else vibrating in here. Damn, she slammed on her brakes. I also want a new build, guys. Like, I don't know what exactly I want to build. I don't know if I want to get into a bike build, but I want something to build. Like I bought that Honda Grom just for me to get around during the time that Dusty was down, and now that Dusty's back, I'm thinking about, you know, selling it and buying something else, or I don't know, using that money to just move. But yeah, I want another build, because Dusty can't be, you know, the only car that I make content on, because that's not how you grow as a YouTuber. Well, automotive YouTuber is either you have like a group of friends and you go work on their cars, or like you just have, you know, multiple cars that you could work on. I am not that blessed. I don't have that money to just go out there and buy a brand new car, bro. I wish I did, but I don't. But I know this is something I do love to do. I do love making content, regardless of what content it is. I just love making content. So you guys will always see me make a video on something. Speaking of content, look at that EK right there. I would love that. Maybe I should start entering those giveaways, and maybe I could win a car and have it on the channel. But yeah, man, I don't have any clue what I have in store for 2025. I just know that I have stuff in store. You feel me? Like, I know I'm gonna be making content. It's something I pride myself on. It makes me happy. I enjoy it. But maybe I should just take out Dusty for, you know, take it street racing. Maybe you guys want to see that. Maybe I'll take it to a street racing event or street racing meet, and then make some content off of that. I know you guys would love to see Dusty in some street racing videos, killing some cars, bro. Shoot, I would love to do it. It's just finding the right day. Sometimes they have these events and it just doesn't fit the day that I'm off, or fit the day that I got going on, sadly. But you know, you make time for stuff that you want to do. Well, if I didn't get to say happy, I'm gonna say happy Merry Christmas. If I didn't get to say Merry Christmas to you guys, and you guys didn't respond to me on Instagram, bruh, F you guys. Nah, I'm fucking with you. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy New Year's. Hopefully I have another video dropping before New Year's, so I could do like a proper, you know, New Year's. And yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed the video, you already know,